暗绘画生 electromechanical desktop. Type 1 code splicer. Can be used for welding copper, aluminum, gold, silver, nickel, tin wire. The limit range is 0.12 mm, 0.6 mm. Press the mold into the machine. Depress the handle to remove the black mold. Rotate the cover plate to the top of the mold and tighten the screws. Adjust the horizontal seam according to the size of the wire diameter. The end of the thread can be half of the vertical seam position. Press until the copper wire is connected. Loosen the mold and take out the copper wire.